Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you my brand new daily planner for cat lovers, which is now available on Amazon. But before I start, I'd just like to ask you a little favor. If you want to see more videos and get notified, then please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And with this out of the way, let's have a look at my planner. One of my goals was to create a daily planner I can sell on Amazon's KDP as a low content book. This year I bought a second-hand iPad Pro 11-inch and invested in the painting program Procreate. I wanted to have the ability to paint digitally, and this program is actually not so difficult to learn. For the cover I have chosen to paint a cat which is loosely based on our tabbies Lucy and Max. I have created a similar design for my logo, and the cat is sitting on a brush, not on a fountain pen. I didn't use this design for the logo in the end, but wanted to use the design for something else. The back of the book has my new logo and paw prints. The inside has the following pages: a front page for name and email address, plus cat paw prints. The planner bit is designed so people can add their own time and dates in the to-do section. They can also add the 3 most important things that need to be done, and on the opposite page there is a space for doodling and notes. The planner has 295 pages, including 6 pages for adding contacts. The planner is available as a glossy hardback and a matte paperback. You can buy this planner on Amazon, and you can find the Amazon links below the video. I hope you like my planner. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment and I try my best to answer it. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.